sum. In a class of 45 students, 2 by 5 of total students play cricket, 1 by 3 play football and rest play tennis. That is total students they are given 45. Among the students, we don't know how many students are play the cricket. They are given the fraction, we have to find the whole number. Similarly, we have to find that football students, how many students are playing. Here only they are given the fraction form, we have to find out the whole numbers. And then here also tennis, we have to how many students are playing among 45. We have to find separate for cricket, football, tennis. This is the subdivision of the question. First one A, how many students play cricket? We have to find total students. Among this, how many students play cricket? And then B, how many students play football? We have to find how many students play football among the 45 students. And C question, what fraction of the total number of students play tennis? We have to find how many students play tennis and also we have to find the fraction form of the tennis. Total number of students, how many students are playing? 45 students. So what is your first question? So that is, how many students play cricket? So how do you written in the statement solution form? Number of students who play cricket. How many students are play the cricket? In the fraction form given in the question, 2 by 5. Out of how many students? 45 students. This is your given 2 by 5. That is the playing cricket students. We have to find how many students. Total number of students 45. This is the first type. The half represents multiplication operation. That is equal to 2 by 5. This half represent multiplication and then 45. And then how do you use this one? First type. That is whole number into fraction of the numerator. You have to product this one. That is 2 into 45 divided by the denominator is 5. In 5 table we have to simplify this one, isn't it? So in 5 table it is not possible to cancel this 2. So only the possible is 45. In 45, 5 table how many times? 9 times. 9 5s are 45. 1 5s are 5. 9 5s are 45. In which table we are using here? 5 table. It is equal to 2 into 9 divided by 1. It is equal to 2 9s are 18 divided by 1. 18 divided by 1 we get the answer is 18. So totally number of students, how many students are playing cricket? We get the answer is 18. Clear students? Students, once again I explain in Tamil. So totally how many students? 45 students are given, isn't it? So இதுல எத்தனை பேர் வந்து cricket play பண்றாங்க அப்படிங்கற fraction formல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க 2 by 5. Next football எத்தனை students play பண்றாங்கறது fraction formல 1 by 3 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So rest of the students என்ன play பண்றாங்க அப்படினு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, tennis play பண்றாங்க. So அது எவ்வளவு students tennis play பண்றாங்கறது கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அதே மாதிரி அதனுடைய மீதி இந்த ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் உடைய क्वेश्चंஸ்க்கு நம்ம ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, how many students play cricket கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அப்போ எத்தனை students cricket play பண்றாங்கறது கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். நெக்ஸ்ட் how many students play football. இந்த fraction formல இருக்க 1 by 3 football students வந்து total studentsல இருந்து அதே மாதிரி எத்தனை students டோட்டலா விளையாடுறாங்க அப்படிங்கறது whole நம்பரை கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அதே மாதிரி C ஆப்ஷன் என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்க அப்படினா what fraction of total number of students play tennis. So the 45 students ல இவங்க fraction ஃபார்மும் கொடுக்கல, எவ்வளவு students டோட்டலா விளையாடுறாங்க whole நம்பராவும் கொடுக்கல. So நம்ம ரெண்டையுமே கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். whole நம்பரும் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், total number of students play tennis கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், அதனுடைய fraction ஃபார்மும் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். tennis ஓட fraction form. And then what is your first given is given total எவ்வளவு students விளையாடுறாங்க? 45 students விளையாடுறாங்க. அதுல எத்தனை students வந்து cricket play பண்றாங்கறத fraction formல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க 2 by 5. அந்த 2 by 5 fraction formல இருந்து நம்ம அது whole number number 45 45 ல இருந்து இந்த fraction simplify பண்ணி இத கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So அதை எப்படி பண்ணோம் ஆஃப்னா multiplication represent பண்ணுது. அப்போ 2 into 45 divided by 5. So இது வந்து 5 டேபிள்ல தான் கேன்சல் பண்ண முடியும். எல்லாரும் ஹோம்வொர்க் சொன்னா மிஸ்டேக் பண்றீங்க. நல்லா புரிஞ்சுங்க. எந்த டேபிள் பாசிபிளோ அந்த டேபிள் யூஸ் பண்ணி தான் we have to simplify. So in 5 table 5 one times, in 5 table 45 how many times? 9 times. 5 table doesn't come 2. So 5 table ல 2 வராது. எந்த நம்பர் பாசிபிளோ கேன்சல் பண்றது சேம் டேபிள் பாசிபிள் மட்டும் தான் நம்ம வந்து கேன்சல் பண்ண முடியும். So அந்த மாதிரி பாசிபிள் பண்ணி கெட் பண்ண ஆன்சர் தான் 18. இதுதான் நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ் பிளேட் கிரிக்கெட். இப்போ 18 பேர் வந்து கிரிக்கெட் விளையாடிட்டு இருக்காங்க. B option is how many students play football? So the solution is number of students who play football. How many students play football even in the fraction form? 1/3. Total number of students is 45, that is already given in the first statement. And then we have to find that how many students get in the whole number. This is the fraction form. We get the answer in the whole number, which is equal to 1/3. This half represent multiplication into, that is 45. This is the first type. Whole number into fraction. It's equal to, how do you written? Next step, that is fraction of the numerator into whole number. 1 into 45 divided by the denominator is 3. Now in 3 table we have to simplify this one. In 3 table it is not possible to cancel 1. Next we choose 45. In 45 we have to cancel the 3 table. In 3 table 3 how many times? 1 3s are 3, 1 time. In 3 table 45 how many times? 1 3s are 3. 4 minus 3, remainder is 1. Now the number is 15. 15 how many times in 3 table? 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Table we are using here 3 table, which is equal to 1 into 15 divided by 1, which is equal to 1 15s are 15 divided by 1. 15 divided by 1 we get the answer is 15. So how many? Therefore how many students have played the football? 15 students. That is the answer for the football. The C option, that is the question is what fraction of the total number of students play tennis? We have to find out play the students number of students in tennis. We see some statement form number of students who play tennis. Next we have to find out number of students play the tennis. How do you find the answer? It is total number of students is 45 in this class. We have to find out how many students have played the cricket. 18 students. How many students have played the football? 15 students. So in total we have to subtract this cricket and then football, add and then subtract the 45. We get the answers. How many students have played the tennis? Which is equal to 45 minus 18 plus 15, 5 plus 8, 13. Remainder is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So you get the answer is 33. 45, we have to now subtract these two numbers. 45 minus 33. 45 minus 33. We subtract and get the answer is 5 minus 3, 2. 4 minus 3, 1. So we get the answer is 12. That is your number. This is the answer for the number of students play the tennis. How many students are played? 12 students. How do you find this answer? That is total number of students எத்தனை பேர் இருக்காங்க? 45 students இருக்காங்க. அதுல கிரிக்கெட் எத்தனை பேர் விளையாடிட்டு இருக்காங்க? 18 students நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணிருக்கோம் இல்லையா? சோ அதே மாதிரி ஃபுட்பால் எத்தனை ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ் விளையாடிட்டு இருக்காங்க நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணிருக்கோம் 15 students. சோ இத ரெண்டையும் ஆட் பண்ணி வர ஆன்சர்ல இருந்து டோட்டல் நம்பர்ல இருந்து இந்த 33 ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ் சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணா ரிமைனிங் ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ் தான் என்ன விளையாடுறாங்க? டென்னிஸ் விளையாடுறாங்க. Next one more question is there is what is this? We have to find the fraction of students who play tennis. We have to write the answer in fraction form for the tennis plays. How many students the 45 students. In 45 students in class, how many students are playing the tennis? 12 students. So 45 out of how many students? 12 students play the that is tennis. We have to find in the fraction form. So 12 and 45, see the comparison of the two numbers. It is which table? It is multiplication. It is a multiplication of 3 table. So how do you cancel this one in 3 table? In 3 table 12 how many times? 4 times. 4 3s are 12 and then 45. How do you cancel this one? 45 1 3s are 3. 4 minus 3 remainder is 1. Now the number is 15. 15 how many times in 3 table? 5 times. So which table we are using here? 3 table. How many times? 45 in 3 table? 15 times. Which is equal to 4 divided by 15. Next you have to see this possible to cancel this both numerator and denominator. In 4 table it is come 15? No. It is possible for only 5 table and 3 table. We could not cancel in 4 table. So this is the answer for the fraction form of playing tennis. Next, B, that is sixth sum, which is greater. See this two product of the fraction is given here. 1 by 2 into 1 by 11 or 1 by 11 of 33. We have to compare the product of the two fraction. Find out which one is the greatest. That is your question. As we compare to first, we take the first product 1 by 2 into 1 by 11. We have to simplify this product of two fraction. Let us come to the solution. This is equal to 1 by 2. See this mixed fraction be converted into improper fraction using the formula. It is equal to, what is the formula? Whole number into denominator plus numerator divided by denominator. That is 1 into 11, 11 plus 1, 12. That is numerator is 12 divided by denominator is 11. Now see this which type it's come? It is the second type, that is product of two fraction. What is the product of two fraction? We have to use the formula, that is product of the numerator divided by product of the denominator, which is equal to 1 into 12 divided by 2 into 11. Now it is possible to cancel, simplify this one. In 2 table it is possible to cancel this one? No. Next possible is 12. In 2 table 2 how many times? 1 times. In 2 table 12 how many times? 6 times. Which is equal to 1 into 6 divided by the denominator is 11 into 1 into 11. Which is equal to 1 6 are 6. Divided by 1 11s are 11. This is the simplification for this fraction. Next we go to the next product of the fraction. See this mixed fraction we converted into improper fraction first. That is, which is equal to, that is whole number into denominator. That is 1 into 11, 11 plus 1, 12. 12 divided by 11 of 33. Is equal to 12 divided by 11. This of represents multiplication into whole number 33. It is equal to, this is the which type it's come? It is the first type, that is whole number into fraction. What is the formula? That is whole number into numerator of the fraction is 12 divided by denominator is 11. It is possible to cancel in the 11 table 33? Yes. In 11 table how many times 11? 1 times. In 11 table 33 how many times? 3 times. Which table we are using here? 11 table. 11 table it is possible to cancel 12? No. So just we have to simplify and get the answer is 3 into 12 divided by the denominator is 1, which is equal to 3 into 12. 3 12s are 36 divided by 1. 36 divided by 1 we get the answer is 36. Now we compare and get the answers. First one is 6 by 11 and second one product we get the answer is 36. See this first one is the fraction form. Second one product we get the answer is whole number. In this whole number See the previous steps. 36 divided by 11 is also the fraction form, isn't it? So we have to take 36 by 1. Why we have to take this one? Because we have to compare the both fraction. Which one is the greatest? That is your question. இல்லையா? உங்களுக்கு என்ன கேள்வி கேட்டிருக்காங்க? Product of ரெண்டு fraction பண்ணும்போது எது பெரியது அப்படினு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. அப்போ வந்து நமக்கு அந்த கண்டிஷன் என்னவா இருக்கும்? That should be a fraction form for both product. Here also 36 by 1. இங்கேயும் 36 by 1ங்கற fraction form எடுத்துக்கிறோம் next stepல. அடுத்து வந்து 6 by 11. இது ரெண்டு எடுத்து எது பெருசு கம்பேர் பண்ணனும். So next we have to write this step. How do we return? 6 divided by 11 and this 36 the whole number we converted into fraction form 36 divided by 1. Every whole number have the denominator is 1. That is in the fraction form. Now see the denominator of the fraction. Both is not same. Here 11, here 1. We have to take the LCM of the fraction. Now we have to take the LCM of 11 and 1. See this here. In 11 and 1, we have to take 11 table divided in 11 table. How many times? 1 times. 1 doesn't come, so you have to write except 1. So what is the LCM answer? LCM